Hello, darkness, my old friend. Soon you'll be here at 4 p.m. And snow will turn of all our green yards white. We'll have much shorter days and longer nights. And the roads will be ice-covered once again. Winter's a pain, and we've got global warming. In summer shoes I slipped along on unplowed sideways, steep and long. I had to stop and hug a street lamp to stop me falling flat down on my ass. And no city salt trucks anywhere in sight. I've got frostbite, so where's this global warming? And in the lamplight I could see a bunch of others just like me. People falling without warning. They'll be hurting in the morning. Sore wrists and ankles injured in their falls as home they crawled, victims of global warming. My mother said people should know not to wear sneakers when it snows. Dad said get winter tires too. All-season radials they just won't do. But here I stand in wet sneakers in the snow, and now I know I should have heard their warnings. And the people moaned and cried and wished that they were home and dry. Please, cherished listeners, heed my warning. Snow could be here any morning. Dress in layers, put winter boots upon your feet. Consider cleats to cope with global warming. 'Cause we've got global